Hey, Elena. We just read this story, the chicken story. Will you give the characters a kiss? Will you? Look at the front cover. See them on the front cover? Kiss them. Give them a kiss. You love those guys. Mwah. Yeah. Oh, that's so sweet. Will you give them another kiss? Yeah, you're reading what it says. Mm-hmm. It was a good story, wasn't it? You want to give him a kiss? Do you want to kiss those guys? Look, it's the papa chicken and the little chicken. Interrupting chicken. Oh, good. Give him a kiss. Yeah. That is so sweet of you to kiss those characters. You love those guys. You love them. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. All right, say bye-bye. Oh, goodness, say yeah. Bye-bye.